Good morning. I have that it's 11:20, so I will go ahead and get started. I wanted to welcome everyone to our academic open house. You are in the Zoom session for the College of Science and Mathematics. We're going to spend a few minutes just giving you a brief overview of the College of Science and Mathematics, and then you will have a choice at the end to choose to go into breakout sessions for the various departments and programs that are in our college. I'm Luann Lovin. I am an interim associate dean here in the College of Science and Mathematics and a professor in mathematics and statistics. So again, welcome. You can see on our opening page, we've got the website for our college. We've got a Facebook page, Twitter, and then you've got little Duke Dog down there at the end representing JMU. Our college has several different programs, 13 different majors, 14 different minors, and 18 different concentrations. So we have a lot of choice in terms of what students can choose to study. Our students are focused on really becoming scientists and mathematicians and statisticians. And one of the ways that we do that is to engage our students in undergraduate research, as well as a lot of our students do internships. In fact, 80% of our students in our college spend at least 1 year or more doing research with faculty and or doing internships. We really focus on the undergraduate experience at Madison University. And so a lot of our students are able to work in our labs and work with faculty. And as undergraduates, they're getting access to the instrumentation and the lab research and actually working closely with our faculty on doing some really exciting work. One of the things that we also offer in our college is being able for students to take field courses and study abroad programs. And those programs are focused on STEM disciplines, but JMU has a broader study abroad program, but a number of our faculty also offer short-term programs during the summer, again, focused on STEM activities and STEM programs that you could take advantage of. We encourage our students to present their research to local, national, and sometimes international conferences. We support student faculty to actually go to these conferences. And also we have a number of our undergraduate students who co-author and publish articles with the faculty that they're doing research with. Our college also has a number of student chapters of professional organizations that our students can join. And then also JMU at large also has several, I think hundreds of student organizations that students can get involved in. And then also our college has a number of outreach programs, and this is just a few of our outreach programs that we offer. Demystifying the Expert and Math Connections Theater are two of the outreach programs that I wanted to just share very quickly. Our JMU Student Improv Comedy Group actually works with our scientists and our mathematicians to put on events for the public and for students at JMU, the community at JMU, to expose the public to interesting science and mathematician and mathematics and science or statistics programs and what science and math people actually do. And then there's also a number of outreach programs in the area schools that our students can get involved in. One of the things that I want to highlight in terms of what we do with our students is that we really try to offer an inclusive environment, and we want our students to feel valued and supported as their authentic self. And we also, as some of the slides have demonstrated, we try to get students to be able to advocate and communicate science, mathematics, and statistics. We want them to engage in high impact experiences, and all of this really is geared towards helping them identify as a scientist, a mathematician, or a statistician, and to begin to develop those habits of mind in those disciplines. And we really feel like that we've been very successful in doing that. We've got 94% of our students enter the STEM workforce or continue on to advanced training graduate school after they graduate from JMU. So welcome. We really appreciate you joining us this morning. And we are now going to open up the breakout sessions. And there's 7 breakout sessions that you can choose from. And we will also still be in this main session as well for those of you who have just general questions.